So many of you guys are wondering if the no start issue has been fixed. Let's find out, shall we? This is where I got it to fail, the no start issue, 5 times, about a month ago right here. When I was filming this 6-month, guess I should close up my bag, huh? When I was filming my 6-month review of this. So, let's find out if this issue has been fixed. Let's turn the bike on. Well, let's try it for the first time, shall we? Yep. Okay, it started that time. I don't know. Where shall we go, drone? That way? Okay. Now, the reason why I'm here is I want to duplicate. It's exactly the same temperature today, 19 degrees C, that it was the day that it failed 5 times. It failed once right here to start. I'm talking the bike now, not the drone. So I want to see if I can duplicate any of the no start incidences here, is what I'm trying to duplicate. And I'm on a farm road, as you can see, with windmills. And no, the drone doesn't go high enough to interfere. That's way up there, those windmills. But here, let me turn around here. I can't go any further because there's a highway coming up and the drone won't go any further than this. And then it'll just stop in its tracks. So let me do this. Let me stop it right here. Let me pretend. Leave it in gear, because otherwise the bike will roll. Mess with the controller. Blah, blah, blah. Wait a few seconds. Got the drone lined back up on me. Okay. Now let's try it. Will it start? Yep. Okay. Number 1, it worked. All right, good. Now will the drone catch up with me? That's the question. Let's wait for it to say object moving too fast. Because it's not supposed to be tracking, it's supposed to be tracking human targets and not a object. Okay, let's do it again real quick. This time let me leave it in 2nd gear. Let me come to a stop. Kill it. Leave it in gear, as I was doing last time that I got this bike to fail, and play with the remote. So this will be try number, that was once there, once here, when I first started to take off. Now this is number 3. Let's see. Yeah, it worked. Okay. Don't recommend taking off in 2nd gear all the time, guys, as long as you kind of nurse it a little bit, and the bug wants to join us here, huh? Now I did go down that way, and the bike had 2 no starts down here. Once when the drone lost me twice, and once up there. So I'm hopefully recording with the drone still. Am I? Yep. It's still usually the drone will lose me on turns. Okay, it still got me though. All right, good. Let me stop up here near this barn. And there's a hawk over there. I wonder if he's going to try to attack my drone. The drone actually has lost me. Okay, good. Good scenario. Drone has lost me. Where are you? There. There I am. Go. It helps if you make noises like that, guys. There, draw a little. There, does it see me? Auto, go. Okay, now it's on me again. Now let's, what is this, number 5? I think I quit. Yep, and starts. So the no start issue is working. Well, it's fixed. So far. That's interesting. I cannot duplicate what it did before. How I got it to fail, this bike to fail before. I'm duplicating the exact same thing, exact same temperature, sunny sky, exact same route, same path, same everything. The only thing that is failing is the drone is failing. Yeah. Interesting. Okay. It failed me once here too. Let me stop it. Cancel. Stop. Let's get away from that. I gotta straighten this out. Come here. Let's land you. And let's stick in a new battery, shall we? Let's reset this. Active. And it's recording. Okay. Let's line them up. All right, now I had to put in a new battery in the drone. Now let's see if I can get this to fail. Nope, it started. Okay. It seems to have been fixed. This bike is not failing today. Well, since I got the software, it has not failed. Subject moving too fast. Okay, I'll slow down. There, how's that? Is that better? Uh-oh, it's going to go. The drone is going towards the tree. Aha, it's trying to go under it. Now it's trying to go over it. There. Did it find me? No. No, the drone lost me. Okay. Okay. Looks like it still got me. Okay, it's working. The bike started that time. I'm more concerned and focused with the drone than the bike not starting. All right, that's it, guys. That's what, 7, 8 times I've stopped, shut off the bike and started it. I cannot duplicate this since getting the software update. When was that? 2 weeks ago. And so it's fixed. I can honestly say that it's fixed. BMW, you were right. The software was the problem. Who would have thunk with a modern bike? Software is the problem. So, all right, guys, I hope I've answered your question. And that, is it fixed? Yeah, the no start issue is fixed, I can honestly say. 2 thumbs up, boom, boom, it fixed it. So if you guys are having this no start issue with this new 1300 GS, call your dealership, get that software update. You can say, what software update is it? Well, here we go. Let's take a look, shall we? If we go down, oh, I have to go away. Settings. Vehicle system information, I think. Software. There we go. 125.011.030. That's what we need. Okay. All right, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this short little review and this short little test to see if it's working. As always, guys, ride safe, and I hope I've earned your subscription. Ride like there's nothing to prove, guys. Truce. Okay, now let's bring the drone back. Let's go a little wrong way. That way, a little forward, down. There we go.